Hello and welcome back to Learn British English with me, Frank. Today we're going to look at conjunctions.
Conjunctions. Conjunction.
Conjunctions. What are they? They're words that combine or connect two different ideas. They are and, but, because, and so. For examples. And. We use and to connect two different ideas. For example, I am Frank. I speak British English. If we use and, we can say, I am Frank and I speak British English. Another example, my friend likes apples. He eats 5 apples every day. If we use and, we can say, my friend likes apples and he eats 5 every day. And, to connect two sentences, two ideas. Let's look at the word but. So but contrasts two ideas. Example, I am from Spain. I don't speak Spanish. If we use the word but, the conjunction, we can say the sentence becomes I am from Spain, but I don't speak Spanish. You see? Another example, she likes blue. She doesn't like yellow. If we use the conjunction but, we would say she likes blue, but she doesn't like yellow. Do you get that? Do you understand? Well, let's look at the conjunction word because. Because gives the reason for the first idea, or the first idea is caused by the second. We like to sing. We enjoy music. Now if we use because, this becomes we like to sing because we enjoy music. So the first idea is explained by the second idea. You get that? Another example. They speak loudly. They cannot hear well. So we can use the word because. They speak loudly because they cannot hear well. So we've looked at and, but, because. What was the last one? So. And I use that word a lot, I think. Probably too much. So one idea, you see, so one idea leads to the second idea. Let's look at two examples. I am hungry. I am going to eat a banana. If we use the word so, this becomes I am hungry, so I am going to eat a banana. So the first idea causes the second idea, or the first idea leads us to the second idea. Another example, he is late for work. He is running. And if we use the word so in the middle, he is late for work, so he is running. So the first idea leads to the second idea. These are called conjunctions. So you remember? And, but, because, and so. These are 4 examples that we've looked at in this video. Can you make other sentences using these 4 conjunctions? Practice, 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 and you'll become a great speaker of British English. So subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and leave your sentences in the comments below. Talking of one video leading to another, check out these other videos in the playlist here to learn more British English with me, Frank. See you later. See you later.
Alma said, let's look at but.
They cannot hear well. Yummy. Man, why is it doing that now? Anything else? Quick.